Hello everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and I wanted to show you some of the things that I was getting ready for spring and even some Valentine's Day flowers. But I had picked up, I don't remember how long ago it was, but I think it was Tuesday morning that had these punches on sale. Fiskars brand. This was the little bow punch on the butterfly, and then the two different shapes of flowers. They were only $4.99 each when I got them a while back. And these are some punches I had already. These are my punches I have in the small, which you can see I have more flowers back there. Some leaves and circles, and some corner punches, dragonflies, and butterflies. So, I love this butterfly, by the way. Had a little bit of a problem with it when I first got it, but I think since I started working with it again, I think I got it worked out okay. So I just wanted to show you some of the things I've been making. Let's see, here's what you get with those butterflies. Let me move this out of the way. Right here, I've been doing them with some glitter paper, which I love bling and glitter paper. The snowy white and the reds and pinks and bluish purples. Very pretty. And then I did them with some other, these are my, I love, I use my alcohol inks and I spritz my own paper. I don't know if I put that video up or not, but if I haven't, I will. But I did some of my alcohol ink with the butterflies and the flowers. So I do the bigger flowers back here, and then these, and then those two there. So you have four really. And I make them into, like, these are completed ones. And you don't have to put like four. Like here is what do we got here? We got the red layer, the white layer, red, white, and then I put the dot because I don't waste any paper. Let me show you this. When I get done punching everything out, I make holes. And that's what I'm going to start using for confetti because there's no sense wasting it. And I also make my own confetti, see? Because here's all my punches. This is, and then I do the circle hole punch, so it's really just basically confetti. I have different colors in here, red, and white, and gold, and then I have the little dots too, or holes. But they make great, the little holes make perfect little centerpieces for the flowers. So you can see I've completed quite a few, and then these have to be put together yet. And then this one, being a bow, it's just a teeny little bow, but it's adorable. I do love it. Here are they? Here they are. Cute little bows. I've made them in some red ones, and pinks and purples, and then I changed out the little centerpiece. Really pretty. Put that pink glitter on the purple, lavender. They make really cute little teeny bows. I like them. So, I just wanted to bring to you what I've been doing lately, and I hope everybody enjoyed the video. The spring is around the corner. I know it's snowing for some of you right now. I'm in Florida, so it's not too bad here, but sooner or later, Valentine's Day and spring will be here. So, everybody, have a great night. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you real soon. God bless, be safe, and be happy.